Hey guys, this is RLC321 back again with another Star Trek Voyager Revel's model kit build. And what I wanted to show you this time is I'm going to be adding some darker panels. It's all in random areas. It's not like in set areas or anything like this. It's just all random because it's to kind of simulate the fact that they've been lost in the Gamma Quadrant, or is it Delta? Gamma Quadrant for quite a while, and they've obviously had to do repairs on their ship. So that's what these, where I've marked off, are going to be. They're going to be a slightly darker colour than what the actual base colour is. So with that in mind, I need to find where the darker colour is. I think we'll use this, which is the neutral grey. We shall use that. Yes. We shall use the neutral grey, which is totally fine. Absolutely fine. So, airbrush. Let's make sure my pressure is down to 20. There we go. Put some thinner in. About there. So I just usually eyeball this. I don't get off. Look at it and say, oh yeah, I must put like 10 drops of this or 10 drops of that. I just eyeball it. Where are you? You will do. So let's put some of this. I would say about that much. There we go. Let's wipe you off before I put the lid on. Right. Where's my stick gone again? Come on, come to Papa. Come on, come to Papa. Here you go. Right, I'll give you a stir first. And then give it a bit of a wash. Right, okay, so here we go. Got very low pressure on my thingy. And I don't know if you can see. Yes, you can. Yep. And this is just going to add a different kind of texture to the model. I'm hardly pulling back on the airbrush as well because I don't want it too dark and intense. I just want it fairly light. Okay. Oh, not too much, not too much. Oh, there, yeah. And the final one. There we go, I think that will do. Let's get where's my doobie? There you are. And I've still got quite a bit of paint left in my pot, so I'm not going to waste it. So I'm going to get my colour back and pour it in. I'm going to let that dry for a little bit, and then we can pull off the masking tape and have a look at what we've done. I mean, I didn't have to do this. I mean, I could have just left it as it is and then go ahead with the glossing of it and everything. But I just wanted to add a little bit of character, a little bit of something to it, you know. Let's get it. Right. I better show you how I clean my airbrushes, I think. Right, so in here I have windscreen wash fluid. I have about 10% alcohol, or the 99%, but so like if the alcohol, I'd put only about that much of pure 99% alcohol. Washing up windscreen fluid up to about here, and then the rest deionized water. Okay, this is what I use to clean with. I've also got the similar mixture in my what are they called, ultrasonic cleaner as well. Right, so basically I just squirt it inside there, get an old brush and just swiddle it around. Just give it a good swiddle. Swiddle is a good word. I might use that word more often. Swiddle, that's awesome. And then I open up my pot, so you want somewhere where you can throw it away. Nope, don't disappear. Okay. And I just tip it away in there. Okay. Then let's get wipe the edge. I really need to. I don't take good care of my airbrushes, as you can probably tell. So give it another squirtle. Right, but this time, let's put that down. I'm just going to give it a bit of a backwash, back blow, which is you cover the end of the needle, press down on your thingy, and then pull it back, and you can see the bubbles. That hopefully should get rid of any spare things in there. And again, go with the spray, and I do apologise for hitting the Uji. Put my cover back into here, put this back on, and then I use this to cover any backsplashes or any sprays that come in, and I just do this, blow it all the way through. It looks like it's burning. Look at that. Look. It's not, it's just fume. You don't want to breathe this stuff in, by the way, because that's got ammonia in, which helps to break down the water-based paints to help clean it. And once I accidentally used it as a thinner, and it decided to congeal and make all my water-based paints like jelly. So I'm going to give it another blow through, but I'm not going to put as much spray in this time. And just push that in, and then I'm going to get my thinner, my homemade thinner, and just put some in here, and then give it another black blow. Give it a good old blow. Because you know I spend like a good old. No, I'm shush. I'm not saying it. I am not. No. I will. No. No. So I'm just pushing this through the airbrush. It looks fairly clean, but I just wanted to make sure. Move the needle back and forth to make sure it's definitely coating everything. Coating the needle inside, making sure that's it. Dooby dooby doo, dooby doo doo. And come on. There we go. And that's it. That's my airbrush now clean, ready for the next colours of paint. So let's put this out of the way over here. Get over there. Now let's take this apart. Let's have a look, see what mistakes I've made. Okay, that's not too bad. You know, that's not bad at all. I think that's coming out quite good. Yeah. Okay, I think that actually looks pretty darn good, actually, thinking about it. It's not as bad as I expected it to be. Let's continue pulling. Yeah, there we go. No, missed that. Missed that. Come to Papa. Come on. Up you come. There you go. And as you can see, the other side doesn't have as much as this side. As I say, it's all round. I've still got to do the underside of this, by the way. I haven't finished yet, so I've still got to do the underside. So let's do the rear. Where are you? Come to Papa. Let's do it this way. You swine. There we go. There. So we got that done as well. And as you can see, it does add just that little bit extra, a little bit of something to the actual model. Now I wanted to talk about the sensor arrays as well. As you can see, these are now painted. Now, what I've done with these is don't use a brush. A brush tends to, move and flex, and then you could get paint everywhere. So what I used was actually a toothpick, and you can see the paints on there. I just used the yellow, the red, blue, and the silver. I didn't use anything else. And go away. And just done all the yellow first on all of the different bits all over the sensor arrays. Then I went ahead and done the red and the blues and the silver. And just do it all in random places. There's no rhyme or reason. And don't do every single one. Okay, use it sparingly. As you can see, I've also started painting these white. They need another coat because it's still a bit niff. It's still a bit niff. So they need another coat, another brush. And under here I started doing the white. Now what I want to try and do is highlight this as well, which I need to figure out how to do and figure out what colours I need. But as you can see down here, underneath here, I want to put the similar like patchwork effect that I've got at the top as well. So anyway, that's just a very quick video for you guys. Oh, and I need to fill this great big massive hole right there and paint that bit silver, copper. So what I'm thinking of doing is using the milliput putty, epoxy putty, and doing it at kind of an angle going down, so it merges all into one kind of thing. Yeah, you get where I'm coming from there, I hope. Because with the milliput I can actually smooth it down so it's a nice smooth finish as well. So it's nice and smooth, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we get a nice a slope going down to that because of that stupid ass gap. Yeah, that's a pain in the backside. But anyhoozle, short video, but I just wanted to show you where we are, what we're at, and what we're doing. And I'm going to say thank you very much for watching. Once I do the underside and I do this, then it's on to gloss glossing, and I'll show you what I use to gloss on here as to use. Blah, put my teeth back in. I will show you what product I use for doing the gloss and how to apply it. Anyway guys, I want to say thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this very short video, and I will see you guys in the next one. You take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.